Hello my people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna do something really very quick. I'm just showing the ladies this secret natural remedy for your VJ tightening. This is clove. In Hausa you can call it kanum fari. In Yoruba you can call it kanafaru. So I don't know the Igbo name, but this is clove. Clove, you can browse it. It's very good. It's very medicinal. It's a detoxifier for when people drink it. They put it in zobo. It's a zobo spice for detoxifying the body. So if you add this to just normal water, this is my water. So I'm going to add some quantity of it, and then I'll drop the water for 3 days, and you see the color of this water is going to change to a dark brown color after 3 days. So I can use this to rinse my VJ. You can put more if you wish. I just want to show you how amazing this stuff works. So you can do this and keep it for 3 days, and after 3 days the color will change to brownish color. The water color will change to brownish, so you can filter it out, or you can still leave it there if you have more water in it, and then you can just filter the water out and use it to wash your VJ, and it will become tighter and firm. Alright guys, that's it. If you like my video, please thumbs up my video. It's a natural remedy for the VJ, for women, for your vagina. So please thumbs up my video and share my video, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Until next time.